The purpose of this portfolio assignment is to create and take a survey, meaning to create a survey of 5 questions and to give it to at least 10 people and then to summarize the results. So I'm just going to walk through a couple of pointers and examples. So first it says you need to state the purpose of the questionnaire. I'm going to talk about ice cream. Okay, and my purpose here, I'm not going to write it down right now, but my purpose here is to examine people's habits in regard to ice cream. Okay, to examine people's habits in regard to ice cream. Okay, and I'm going to decide how they're going to be questioned. Well, I'm going to make a survey on paper, and I'm going to administer it to my family members and have them write their responses on the paper. You may choose to deliver your questions over the phone. You might do it through a web survey on Facebook or otherwise. You might do it through text or webmail. There's lots and lots of ways to conduct a survey. All right. My recommendation is whatever you do, keep it simple because you want to get this job done, this task done, in a reasonable amount of time. 1 hour really should be sufficient of work in order to get everything done. All right, so the requirements are that you have to have 5 questions, and I'm going to add the requirement that you need 5 different kinds of questions. Okay, don't make them 5 multiple choice questions. Don't make them all 5 short answer questions, etc. Vary the kind of questions that are asked. So number 1, okay, how often do you eat ice cream? Okay, and I'm going to make this multiple choice. Actually, I'm going to say never and put a 0 above never. And every day, I'm going to put a 4. And then I'm going to have 1, 2, and 3 in between. So they're going to pick a number from 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 that determines how often they eat ice cream. From never to every day. And anything varying in between there. So they're going to pick a number. All right. 2. Let's see, what else can I ask? What is your favorite flavor? Okay, now there's a couple of ways I could do this. I could do multiple choice. Okay, that's one way to limit the responses. I'm going to do open response, so I'm simply going to have them write in their answer. That means I may get 10 completely different answers. That's possible. Okay. All right. 3. Let's see. What else can I ask? What toppings do you use? Okay. And this is going to be multiple choice. So select all that apply. So we might say whipped cream and have a checkbox. We might say fudge, hot fudge. We might say chocolate. We might say what is that? Caramel. Syrup. Fruit. Nuts. Whipped cream. Okay. All right, let's see. What can I ask for question 4? How much do you eat at a time? Okay. Half a scoop, 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop, and 3 scoop plus, meaning more than 3 scoops. Okay, how much do you eat at a time? And 5. This one's going to be 2 choices. Which do you prefer? Okay, and I'm going to give ice cream, gelato, that's Italian ice cream, sherbet, and I'm even going to put vegan. Did you know there's vegan ice creams? Okay, which do you prefer? All right, so there's 5 questions of varying kinds, multiple choice, select from a number line, open response, etc. Okay, so now I'm going to administer this questionnaire to my friends, my family, and so I have at least 10, and I'm going to summarize the results. And here's how I might summarize the results. Okay, when asked the question, how often do you eat ice cream? Out of 10, 3 people said every day. 2 people said number 3, less than every day, but close to every day. And 1 person said only once a month. Let's change that here. Every day, every other day, once a week, once a month, and then never. Okay, that'll give once a week. So 1 person said once a month. Okay, and so you'll summarize your data there. When asked what their favorite flavor, 2 people preferred cookies and cream, and et cetera, et cetera. So be specific in your results, okay, in your summarization of your results. All right, so summarize results. Use specific numbers. Don't use like most, some, or many. Use specific numbers in your answer. All right, I think that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions.